Um, Yo, what's good, y'all? I'm here because somebody held me at gunpoint. His name is Yosaf. He lives in, um, I don't know, I forgot where he lives, but yeah, he said to react to this song. So this is called Vending Machine of Love. Let's shut up and turn it up. Let's go. Oh, so loud. Alright, let's just. Is there captions on this? Let's see. Alright, good so far. A dear friend asked me to compose a theme song for them. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah.
This is a song about soft drinks. And
Oh. Who the fuck is this Elvis looking motherfucker on my screen, bro? He looks gay as hell. I'm just kidding. No offense, but he looks gay. I mean, not in a bad way, but yeah. It's just, I don't know.
nothing else. Get your mind out of the gutter.
I wanna kiss you.
Hey guys, are your lips dry? Any day.
Nah. Uh. Carbonation ain't the way that you envisioned. What?
You say you're strange, but baby, shed your inhibitions and let your day slip into something else.
And let your date slip into something aluminium. That sounds dirty, but yeah. Wait, wait. Theme for only cats. Oh, I'm just realizing this. Oh no. What is this like OnlyFans but cats? What the fuck? They're like taking pictures and like nah, hell no.
Subtle bubbles in my stubble feeling ever so pleasant. Never thought I'd find a girl with such a delicate essence. Free
Uh-huh.
with the meal deal, the delicatessen. So you're sitting in the fridge with a twinkle. Are
Huh?
you a multi-pack can or are you single?
I'm single.
A little sipping and a spritz isn't simple.
Spritz. fucking fucking off-brand Sprite. Fucking hell.
I'm just finna get my finger in your ring pull.
Uh
So
huh.
start your panties in the vending machine of love and
Uh
take
huh.
a dizzy little mix that you've been dreaming of.
Uh
If
huh.
it curse with the thirst of a lonely man,
Lonely
you can get
man.
your juices flowing with some only cans.
Only
Every
can.
glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I
Only
hope that
cans is
you can
still
handle
crazy.
330 mil. Get lost in the froth as the foam expands. Get your loving while you're gliding at some only cans. Now you've seen other payside
Uh huh.
galleries, but none of those.
I have seen some pay site galleries, and I'm gonna tell you that when you pay, you get. Yeah, I'm just saying. When you pay, you get the good stuff. That's all I'm saying. All right.
Those girls taste like raspberries. So if you think we're just some obscene cannery,
Uh
all our
huh.
cans are over 18
Oh. Oh. Mm.
calories. So give a spray for some flirtatious behavior. That come here, the hiss is what you came for. We've been brewing
Huh?
up a plethora of flavors.
We've been.
Say we're crude, you can never say we're tasteless. So if you drink it straight or with a mixer, bring a Mr. or a Mrs. home for dinner.
Uh-huh.
Everybody's got a different fizzle in that spritzer. What's the matter? What ingredients are on your sticker?
Mmm. I don't want. Mmm.
I haven't met you all, but it's contextual. You're all impeccable, if it's consensual. If you're ace, then me pan flexible.
If you. Wait. Whoa, whoa,
You're all impeccable, if it's consensual. If you're ace, then me pan flexible.
if your ace demi pan flexible is crazy.
End of the day, we are all pansexual.
Can yeah, cansexual. What the fuck? Brody just made a new pride. No, not pride. Like fucking LGBT flag, bro. Bro. New sexuality, guys. Cansexual. Alright, let me put it in my list of topics right now. Be cansexual. Let's go.
Vending machine of love and take that dizzy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man,
Uh
you
huh.
can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I
Hey.
hope that you can handle 330 mil. We can semi-guarantee that we won't be banned.
Why am I even surprised? Like I've heard worse songs than this. But I mean, I don't don't know. I guess this is better than the ones I've been reacting to. I guess.
Get your loving while you're glugging on some only can. Maybe
Uh-huh.
fizzy, but I'll spit a little candor.
Fizzy in it. Just kidding.
Sure is sticky, but we'll lick the spillage after. There's only one appetite can for Landra. Snap it with the candy, with your candy camera. Can it
Uh-huh.
can, yes it can. All the cans it can, all
Can. Yes, it can. That's hard. That's actually hard. Not no cap.
candy can. Manly cans the camera, ain't canoes grabbing noodles and canoodling with cans and can food. Mexican cans and Cancun, scandalously scantily clad.
Mexican can in Cancun scandalously scantily clad in their scanties. Whoa, he's just dropping.
The scanties and the canting at you. Camping with the Scandinavian can. Under a canopy alone in the canyon with your can boo. Share a cannoli with Italian cans on the
Hey.
canal before a candlelit dance. The cans are off the Canterbury for a canny romance. You better cancel your plans. This Cansanova can't handle the demand of Canterbury and canoritas and cantinas with fans on the Canary Islands. Strip canasta till you down to your pants on your campani and bust over your hand. Damn, these Cantonese shoes are your creamiest stands. So go over to Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Flavor flow over you. Getting down with the hard brown.
Getting down with the hard. Whoa! Oh.
Never been so lopsided.
Ah.
Looking like a snack, that's a kind of pay.
Canapé.
Campaigning like Barack, that's a candidate.
Can looking like Barack, that's a candidate. Oh. He's just dropping.
Weed on your tongue, that's a candy cane. Can rockin' them guns, that's a kind of.
Bro, I'm just realizing he made a song just like what rhymes with can? Oh, I know. Kennedy, can. Bro, how, how do you even think of this, bro? Like,
Feel that can in your heart, that's a cannula. Can't send
you
this
see what I'm
regard,
saying,
that's a
bro?
canister. Intuitive can, that's a canvasser. Insensitive cans, cantankerous. Take that busy little mink that you've been dreaming of.
Uh-huh. The juice is flowing with them only cans. Hard to fill. Hand over the third in mail. Uh-huh.
So download
Damn.
only cans, the app for soda lovers.
Uh-huh.
It's got very high ratings.
Yeah,
No, sorry, it's very hydrating.
Oh!
My mistake.
Okay.
I'm very sorry you had to see that. And an even greater apology to my patrons that you now have your names irrevocably attached to it. Only Cans is a free game.
Wow. That's interesting. I mean, actually, that's actually good, but I would prefer if he talked about sucking dick and not. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I guess that's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Shout out to what is this again?
Now available on
The Stupendium. Stupendium. I don't fucking know how to pronounce it, but shout out to this guy right here. Go sub to his channel. He has 1.1 mil. Yeah, sub to his channel. I'm gonna link it down in the description if this video is get posted. Yeah. Love y'all. Goodbye.